हाय सभी को। आज के दिन मैं एक सिंपल क्विक मील काइंड ऑफ बना रही हूँ। तो मुझे लगा एक ये काइंड ऑफ टिप है, ये एक आइडिया है। मोस्ट साउथ इंडियंस को और मैनी इंडियंस को भी पता होगा ये, पर मैं इसमें थोड़ा ट्विस्ट करती हूँ मेरा खुद का, जो मुझे पसंद है और जो मुझे ज़्यादा टेस्टी लगता है। तो मुझे लगा मैं आपके साथ भी शेयर करूँ। अभी हमारी तो लाइफ यहाँ यूएस में है, तो जैसे आप जब काम करते हैं थक जाते हैं, मुझे भी वैसे ही सेम लाइफ है। काम काम करके फिर वी गेट टायर्ड एंड देन वी बैक कि अभी क्या बनाना एंड ऑल दैट। सो आज मुझे बहुत ही वन वन ऑफ द थिंग्स आई लव टू ईट इज़ राइस। वो हम मेरा बेसिक आई एम अडिक्टेड टू राइस। सो और हम बहुत इंडियंस को भी लाइक और डिसलाइक होता है ना, किसी को चपाती या रोटी या ऐसा अच्छा लगता है सबसे ज़्यादा। तो मेरा ये है कि मुझे राइस ही अच्छा लगता है। भले अचार के साथ भी राइस खाओ तो एकदम ही कंटेंट रहती हूँ। दाल और सब्जी ये सब मिल जाए तो भी कंटेंट रहती हूँ, पर बेसिकली चावल होना चाहिए मुझे एटलीस्ट वंस अ डे। हाँ, नहीं मिलेगा तो मैं क्या ऐसे not the end of the world, but still would I would love to have that option every single day if possible. At least अभी तो कोई ऐसा ये नहीं हो गया है कि anyway. तो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहती थी कि मैं चावल के साथ क्या करती हूँ। तो वैसे आपको तो ये पता होगा, खासकर अगर आप साउथ इंडियन है या नहीं है साउथ इंडियन, तो भी आपको पता होगा कि ये क्या भी तो बोलते हैं, पुलेंद्री या जो भी बोलते हैं, वो साउथ इंडियन वर्ड है कुछ, मुझे पता नहीं है। पर उसमें बहुत सारा राई मेथी जीरा ये वो टैमरिंड पेस्ट, all these things they put already in it and they spice it up good enough also, you don't really need too much. फिर कोई लोग वघार करते हैं, ये वघार करके फिर ये डालते हैं, ये कांदा सोतड़ के, कड़ी पत्ता सोतड़ के, ये सब तेल या घी लेके whatever. So we know the basics के we will use oil in that sometimes, or you can use pure ghee or butter or whatever you guys like, margarine or whatever. So anyway, मुझे ज़्यादा पसंद है कि तेल कम कर calorie counting करते, because we make the choices. When you eat sweets you have to start, then I try to balance it with, if I'm eating sweets then I'm removing the other calories out. So I try to work on it, and it's a work in progress. It's not that it's clear for me either, but I try to work on it and I'm okay with it. So and I love to eat veggies and all, but once in a while you just don't feel like making anything, you're just tired or exhausted. Plus I'm trying the YouTube thing. I don't know if anybody is watching my videos or really wanting to watch my videos, but I'm trying to put them out, and I'm trying my best at this point. Anyway, so this I wanted to share a little tip with you guys. I know you guys know of this, and if you don't know, please go get it. I don't know if it's this brand only is this good, but this I've had for months now. It's been 6 months to 8 months or maybe even a year. I've had this container, and that's product in it has not gone bad. And this could be considered a review also for this product. And trust me, I have tried it and it is mind-blowing. If you feel you get transported into Bombay or India, well, I'm from Bombay, so for me it is that is where I grew up, my world. That's what I knew. But regardless wherever you stay in the world, if you try this one, if you are Indian or not, just try it. It is out of the world. Just mix it with rice. If you want to put ghee, butter, whatever oil, whatever you want, you can. You don't really need it. You just eat this and mix it with your hands. Specifically mix with your hand and eat. And you can do a lot of variations. You can put a vaghar, tadka or vaghar. You can saute some onions, carrots, bell peppers, whatever you want, and you can do that. But my version is very simple. When I really just am missing India and I'm wanting to eat something from home, and I don't have much energy, because we all work here also, just like in India, abroad also we all work only all the time, that's the life here. Anyway, so what I wanted to share with this twist, with the same thing, there's another twist. So with this, I made some plain rice. There's no ghee, butter, oil, none of that. I made it in the rice cooker. Okay? Then I have salt, right? I should have salted the rice, but I didn't feel like it. So I was trying to be lazy or whatever. I didn't feel like doing. Just wash the rice, put it in the rice cooker, and it turned out okay. And I like to keep the rice a little moist at a purpose. That is my choice. That is a personal choice. You don't have to. I like it that way. And then there's some peanut butter. Now even in India we have peanut butter, and if not we can go get singdana and grind it up in the blender. And you don't even need like a 800 pounds or 1-2 kilo. Just a few dana also will give you plenty of heavenly feeling. But here in Western world, peanut butter is one of the cheapest things, and here now because of the corona thing we got it for free. So we are trying to use that also. Right now it's nutrition, or in my case I'm not supposed to eat peanuts because of the O blood type, O negative blood type. But anyway, once in a while I eat it and I enjoy it. We live one time, so eat something you really enjoy. So, and this is peanuts and bananas and coconut is like, I was living for that growing up. That is, and mangoes. These were my, and surti ghari. These were my mind-blowing things growing up. Well, my mummy's undiyu, but anyway, that's a different story. I'm going to go over all my likes with you all someday. I promise, I will. Whatever I liked. And then in the Western world also, whatever I really liked, I will share with you guys also, food-wise. I am a major foodie. If you have known me, you know I'm a foodie. Anyway, many people are. Just like that I'm also. Okay. So then there is a cream style peanut butter is there. We happen to have it. And this is actually apna mirchi, the Indian cayenne pepper. But I put some cayenne pepper from the Indian grocery store, filled it up in the container so I can pour it, sprinkly one. There you go. And then this is the masala from the packet. And it's almost a year old masala packet, and it still is staying just fine. And you don't need the masala packet also too much if you're trying to stretch your money. Then that's fine. It's completely okay. Especially the coronavirus thing going on, we can stretch this also. That's fine. But we don't want to compromise on taste. We want to eat the bomb. एकदम मजा आए ऐसा ही खाना है हमको. Anyway, so तो मैं इसमें प्लेन चावल डालती हूँ, और इसमें फिर नमक. मुझे ज़्यादा मिर्ची लगता है. आपको जो मिर्ची डालना है, हरी मिर्ची अच्छी लगती है तो काट के डाल दीजिए, या क्रश करके डाल दीजिए, या ब्लेंडर में वो और सिंगदाना का मैश करके डाल दीजिए, व्हाटएवर. और मैं वो पीनट बटर का मुझे पेस्टी काइंड ऑफ फीलिंग अच्छा लगता है इसमें अभी. मे बी जब यंगर थी शायद मुझे ज़्यादा क्रंच चाहिए होता, तो क्रंच वाला भी पीनट बटर आता है. ऐसा नहीं है कि पीनट बटर क्रंची वाला नहीं आता है. अगर आपको वो पसंद है ज़्यादा, देन डू दैट. आई प्रेफर द क्रीमी वन इन दिस वन. ठीक है. और कभी सैंडविच में लगाते हैं हम क्रंची वन, वो पीनट जैम बटर जेली, पीनट बटर जेली जैम सैंडविच. उसमें हमको कभी क्रंची अच्छा लगता है. बट इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन ईच पर्सन. यू वांट अ क्रंची पीनट बटर जेली, और यू वांट द mild, the cream style one. Anyway, so I prefer the sometimes creamy one, sometimes crunchy one, depending on the mood and the age, I guess. When you start aging, you make a little changes in your lifestyle and all that, your likings and dislikes and all. Anyway, so मैंने rice बना के रखा था. I've already made the rice here. So देखिए, हाँ, इसमें मैं पिंटो बीन्स भी बनाया था. देखिए, राइस है, बराबर है, और छुट्टा है. इसमें मतलब छुट्टा है, मुझको क्या बोलते हैं, लाइक द राइस इज फ्लेकी इनफ. सी, राइस फ्लेकी है, फिर भी मैंने उसमें मॉइस्चर जानबूझ के रखा है. देखो राइस फ्लेकी है कि नहीं, देखो. ठीक है, फिर भी मैंने जानबूझ के मॉइस्चर, इवन देन आई पुट केप्ट एक्स्ट्रा मॉइस्चर इन देयर बिकॉज आई वांटेड इट दैट वे. ठीक है. ओके, सो हम व्हाट आई डू इज फर्स्ट टेक द पैकेट फ्रॉम द Pulandri mix, which everybody knows now, and I think I got this for 99 cents at the Indian grocery store, at Ambika or Seema grocery store, and they're pretty good to hold all these Indian groceries, spices and all that. They keep lots and lots of different stuff. So I just mashed the masala in there because it's been laying for a year, and I just was missing something Indian so bad the other day. I said, what can I do to connect with India again somehow? I know I'm very far away, but I don't know how to explain to you people who know we live abroad, but we long and miss our own country also, and more so because we are far away. I guess distance makes the heart go fonder. They say that, so maybe that is true. At least my father used to say that. Anyway, so ये masala डाल दिया. You just put the masala in the Pulandri mix, the container of the thingy, like that. And then see, this is the container of the Pulandri. I don't know if you guys can see the spelling. and this is the brand I really like now. So that's that. And then I put the peanut butter, you know, I put the peanut butter. I just put a little bit because then I go crazy with the peanut butter, so I'm trying to be calorie conscious. Don't want too many calories, because this is again a lot of calories, you know, and I'm not supposed to with my blood type mainly. Okay, so this, and then so we're gonna go ahead and put the rice in there now. Just mix the rice in there as much you want. You know, I might go for a second helping or maybe leave it for tomorrow. I don't know, depending how I feel. But that's that. And I'm going to add some salt because I did not put salt before. I was feeling lazy at that time. It's in the middle of doing some other stuff. Just put a... Oh yeah, one tip. With salt, if you ever are confused like how much does a dish need, how much salt does a dish need, you just bring it closer. This is my Dadima showed me the trick, okay? With salt, you have to bring it close to your nose and then put it in a dish. And then again, take it, if you feel you put less, you know, take it close to the nose and you will put it right only. You just believe that. It is. That's how you can tell. Take it close to your nose and your measurement will come out perfectly right. So that's my Dadima's tip. And then chili powder. You just pour some chili powder. If you like chili powder, you don't like it, you can skip it. The Pulandri has plenty enough size. This is plenty enough spice because I love spicy food. So this is just for people who like spicy to add more chili powder or you know, pickle juice or you know, any other variation you need. But I know this is kind of muddled up and the South Indians will say, oh, this is not right, you should do it properly, you should do it right. But here we get tired and there's no kind of the Indian life kind of is not there here. So we somehow try to make do, and you know, and then if you want you can stir it with a fork or with your hands. I will eat with my hands, but I'm stirring with a fork right now because I prefer to eat with my hands, although my family is kind of my family thinks I'm a weirdo to eat with my hands, but I prefer to eat all my food with my hands if possible. Although like corona thing is going on, so I guess it is okay to eat with a fork, you know, just to be on the safe side. But you know, and then just eat it. And then if you want to pour some oil or ghee, that is fine, no big deal, you know. And then I wanted to one day share about the kacha with the khichdi and oil. I wanted to show you guys what my dad had showed me growing up as a kid. Someday I will try to do that. But anyway, so this is how it looks. You know, just mix up the peanut butter and all that with that and just eat it, you know, and मज़ा आ जाता है एकदम, absolutely heavenly. और देखिए मैं I will eat and show also. Look how tasty it looks, totally yummy. And this already has kadi patta and rai and methi and all that. There are enough spices and salt and all that in there. So just to put a little bit salt, that is also good enough. But here I go. Yum yum. Eating with my hands. Yum yum. For a girl who's camera shy, period. But I didn't even used to come out of my mom's kitchen, and now I'm eating in public like this with my hands. If my family sees it, they're going to crack up. They're going to say, oh my God, we cannot believe it. You should have eaten with your fork. So, you know, this is how we eat. I'm in a zone right now. Thoroughly enjoying this meal. And I didn't have to work too hard for it either. Just cook the rice. Threw in peanut butter, salt, chili powder, and the Pulandri mix. I don't know what it is called exactly, but I call it Pulandri mix. Me and my friend Sunita, we call it Pulandri mix. But please do try it. Try to give it a shot. You know, especially in India we have to try this obviously because it's our kind of taste, what we really want. but even in the Western world, mainly because most houses do carry peanut butter, so this is very and it's cost effective also to use peanut butter, especially in the Western world. In India, we have to buy a fresh peanuts and crush it, and just a little bit, a handful, khali 5-6 dana, just 5-6 dana of peanuts, just crush it up in the blender with a little bit of liquid or whatever, some, if you like green chilies or something like that, or lal mirchi or whatever, add it, or even an onion or something, sauteed onion or something, mix it up. Sauteed carrots and onions with it, or tomato, whatever, then mix it up and eat. So simple, satisfying, cost effective, पैसा बच जाता है और पेट का पेट भर जाता है, मन एकदम तृप्त हो जाता है, संतोष हो जाता है मन को. बस एनीवे, ये वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा, नहीं तो मैं और बातें करती आपके साथ. कोई और वीडियो में आऊँगी आपके पास. ओके, बाय सभी को, बाय. हाँ, प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना याद रखना सभी लोग. हमको YouTube वाले बोलते हैं, YouTube tells us we should tell people to like, share, subscribe and comment. So I'm telling you guys, please like, share, subscribe and comment everybody. Thank you so much. Bye everybody. Bye.